Hey flowers, it's your head flower right here, Reese LaFleur, coming back with another video. What's up? If you are a returning viewer, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello. Hi. So today's video is going to be about this curly unit that I am currently wearing right now. I'm going to give you all of the deets, but before we get into all of the details and all of that good old jazz, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell down there below for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. Don't be shy. Make sure you join the flower gang. Okay, so let's hop right into it. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Okay, so we have another Amazon unit for y'all. I got the Amazon units on deck. Did you guys see my last bob? I'm gonna actually post it up here. It was a 13x6 bob from Yayaka from Amazon. So this time we're going back in. If you've watched my videos before, you've seen me use this company before. So this is from DIOSA hair. This is how it comes. This is an Amazon company as well. I believe that the wig was $72, I think. This is a Brazilian curly or deep curl unit. It's 10 inches. It is a 13x4 frontal, and the only thing that I would say about this wig just off back is maybe I just got a really big head, but it's a little bit snug. Like, the end tabs are actually a little bit higher than my ear. It's really not noticeable, but I just know that it's not all the way down. Like, my actual sideburns are out because it doesn't come down anymore, so that little curl covers that. So that's the only thing I'll say is, like, if you have a bigger head, this unit might be a little bit snug on you. So, like most of the wigs, it comes with a wig cap. He sent me brown because I'm brown. No, but I've been getting wigs from them for quite some time. I work with him with, like, I think this is like my 4th wig, so I do like them clearly. This is how their card came, with a little boy on it saying thank you, and then the back tells you about your hair and all of that good stuff, where to contact them and all of that if you have any troubles. And then they actually, I think it's cute because their paper has their brand on it. So that's how the hair comes. It's a pretty standard unit. Nothing about it is out of the ordinary, or it actually doesn't shed. Like, I got just one strand just now, 2. Oh no, that's one long one. So it's really good when it comes to the shedding and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna go and show you guys how I define the curls, and yeah.
It's Craig on it.
Okay, so what you guys didn't see on camera is I did go ahead and bleach my knots. So this is how it looks after bleaching it. So the knots bleached well. It didn't take long to bleach. I think I bleached it for about 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm actually really loving this unit. I think it's pretty good for this summer. I'm actually contemplating dyeing it. I don't know why. I just feel like this curl will look pretty enough, the color, but I'm nervous about dyeing it because I don't want the curl to mess up. But if I do decide to dye it, I will definitely do another video for you guys so you can see how I achieve that, if it goes well, or if you decide to do it. But that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to do a review on DIOSA hair. All of the deets, all of the links will be down below. All of the products that I use to make this curly hair nice and defined will be also listed down below. Don't forget, once again, to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share. That's about it, sis. I'm gonna see y'all later. But before we get out of here, you know I gotta do a little bit of a modeling session, sis. So get into it.